Namaste. This is Devendra Sahu, AGM Panchakanya Steel Private Limited. This is a very good opportunity for me to have a talk about RECP projects. Before implementation of RECP project, actually we have the ideas about RECP because we implemented these projects in our plastic industries used for manufacturing of PVC pipes. It was a ESPS Danida sponsored program, and in that case we have implemented the ESPS cleaner program in our plastic units, and we have got a lot of benefits. So we have really appreciated, and we are really happy to get the new project like RECP, and it is a great pleasure for us to implement this in our Panchakanya steel factories. And regarding the suggestions, ideas shared by MetaBuild RECP technicians, engineers, they are very well trained, well experienced, and they are very nice ideas they have shared. Depending upon their sharings, we sort out many shortcomings which are happening in our industries, like energy savings, like heat losses, water losses, resource useless use of resources. Depending upon their suggestions, we have implemented many things. Some are very beneficial and energy savings and reduce our costs related to electrical consumption, water consumption, as well as the heat radiations also remove this one. It is from our previous experience and the ideas shared by the RECP team. We really appreciated. They visited our plant and seen our factory. After seeing this, they prepared a chart where we are getting losing and where we are in negative points, where we are losing our production, losing energy, losing our productivity. So after getting that ideas from them, this was very excited to us, and we particularly we just help them to implement in our unit very nicely and quickly also. And fortunately, they are very cooperative. They came, done a lot of meetings, shared their ideas to our working staffs, technicals, engineers, and all are very positive to manage their ideas. And the benefits what we got, the RECP from the advices of the RECP, that is MetaBuild RECP actually. We got a lot of benefits. Before it was seems it's very minor benefits, but when we got it monetized and they nicely calculated the payback period, the using investment funds, it seems a very small ideas, greater benefits. With the investment of small amounts, around 1 lakh, 2 lakh, we got benefits within 2-3 months, and then after it is free to us to save our energies. This is very got improvements in our work environment. Before we got accidents, there was we think the accidents are small accidents, but from them we got no one accident is small. All the accidents are major, and now we just minimize the accident level to our industries, and we also got a clear idea that safety is the first priority. Without safety, we can't work. This message has been accepted from them only. Their MetaBuild project RECP, they have got a very positive message to us. So we should take it very positively, as well as very aggressively, that this type of projects in Nepal working and at a no cost for us. The cost what we have given them is this is for our factory only. But the shared ideas, the technologies, and their responsibilities, whether we have implemented or not, coming to us and knocking to us, you are not implementing, you are losing some energies. Just like the parents, they are educating us and getting implemented. So we got the benefits right now. The benefits are looking in our papers that we are getting the benefits. So we always support their ideas and hope this type of idea, this should not discontinue with us, because in industry we can't work in a given continuous level. We should improve our works. There are different technologies are coming. So since we are in here, we may not be aware of the technologies. There are the experts. The experts' advices are always welcome, and hope I will be much more getting this advice in future also. This is a very, very great opportunity and pleasant experience with them to get a lot of ideas, not only the ideas, implementing the ideas, and not only implementing the ideas, also getting the benefits in terms of money to the organization, not a personal benefit. By the same time, getting the benefits, no accidents occurring, getting better work environment, safety requirements, everything we are getting finally. So we take it, this is a great opportunity for us. Nice. RSCP plan. We should improve our work environment. What they have suggested, we should continue it. We should improve our work level. So after completion of their project, they are not doing the work for themselves. They are doing the work for us. So after completion of their work, this is our responsibility to continue and improve the work level. And as a AGM of this organization, as a decision of this management, we assured the MetaBuild RCB team that what their effort they have made in this organization, we should not follow down that. And I should do all our efforts to improve it, and if in future whether they will be in this project or not, whether MetaBuild will be in touch or not, but I will do my best level to touch with them and get their advices to implement this. And since this is industry based, so I got a lot of benefits from them. So I didn't want that I should be the only industry to get this benefit from them. This is my advice to all other industries in Nepal and all other industries also outside anywhere else. They should follow the technologies, advices, the new ideas sharing by MetaBuild RCPs. They should also allow them to their industry to investigate their industry level, because we run the industries, it is not our sufficient time to see all the parts of the organization and see all the where we are losing the monies. Saving, we cannot produce electricity, we cannot produce water, but saving means ultimately this is a case of producing the energy and producing the water levels. So this is our responsibility to save our nation, to save our factory, to save our work environment. So with our knowledge, a single person can't do anything else. So we need the experts' advice. And I think the MetaBuild RCP is the best resource that will give a best advice to all industries, manufacturing units in Nepal. So I strongly advise to all my competitor industries, all my supported industries, all industries of Nepal, they should take the advices of MetaBuild. Now we got the advices, support, technical visits, everything free of cost. I am so much interested that if there will be some charges, we are ready. If there is very other programs, they will come for training of our workers and staffs. I am ready to coordinate this, because very clearly I can tell you, we are in such a country that by law and regulation we can't control everything. This is the motivation and innovation and the you can say movements. Through movements we can make a lot of changes. So through the movements, we the senior people should need the requirements, or we should need what is our actual position, and for that we need the experts' advice. And for the advice of experts, I think the MetaBuild RCP is the best experts in the Nepal. So they can promote, they can support the industry in a very, very nice way. And I got the benefits, I got it, and I enjoyed the benefits. Our organization enjoyed the benefits, our staffs enjoyed the safety requirements, our staffs enjoyed the work environment. So I strongly recommended all the industries of Nepal to cooperate with MetaBuild RCP and to join with MetaBuild RCP in future. Thank you.